Hi class, this is Rich Wadowiak. I'm from North Jersey, right outside of New York. I'm still a little sick, so excuse my voice. Yeah, I'm a student currently, and my past experience working was a residential counselor, um, where we worked with like 50 clients, helping them at a facility, and then a job coach helping psychiatric disabled people find work. and and a link ICMS caseworker where I would link different clients to different coming out of the hospital, getting different services from housing, social security, um, food stamps, and things like that. Um, I like learning about from the prior classes. I liked learning about leadership, human development. Um, what else? Counseling theories and diagnosing with the DSM-5. I thought that was pretty interesting and challenging, trying to figure out what people may have and things like of that nature. And yeah, with the current class, I'm kind of excited to learn about the laws, social policies, and and political ones, and how they would affect me and others, and yeah, and seeing how you could utilize the policies, for your advantage and to help others. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks, class.